Welcome to the South Africa portal. Are you planning to apply for your South Africa Smart ID card but you are not sure where to start? In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about the South Africa Smart ID application, including who can apply, the required documents, how to apply online, how to book a Home Affairs appointment, how much it costs, and how to collect your Smart ID card successfully. The Smart ID card is gradually replacing the old green barcoded ID book in South Africa, and it is now one of the most important identity documents for citizens and eligible applicants. You need it for banking, school registration, job applications, driving license applications, government services, and many other official purposes. The South African government confirms that anyone aged 16 and older may apply for an identity document. The South Africa Smart ID card is the modern identity document issued by the Department of Home Affairs. It is designed to replace the old green barcoded ID book and make identity verification safer, faster, and more secure. The card contains your identity details and helps reduce fraud linked to older identity documents. The Department of Home Affairs has also been expanding digital access to Smart ID services, including online applications, branch bookings, and bank branch partnerships. Naturalized South African citizens and lawful permanent residents became eligible to apply for Smart Card IDs through the eHomeAffairs platform. You can apply for a Smart ID card if you are a South African citizen and you meet the application requirements. You may also apply if you are replacing your old green ID book, reissuing a lost or damaged Smart ID, or updating certain personal details. The Department of Home Affairs states that young people who are 16 years and older can apply for their first identity document. You may need a Smart ID card if you are applying for your first ID at age 16 or older. You want to replace your green barcoded ID book. Your ID book or Smart ID was lost, stolen, or damaged. You changed your surname after marriage or divorce. Your personal details need correction. You need a valid identity document for school, work, banking, or government services. The requirements depend on whether you are applying for the first time, replacing an old ID, or correcting personal details. For first-time Smart ID applicants who are 16 years and above, Home Affairs lists documents such as a birth certificate and a certified copy of a parent or legal guardian's identity document among the requirements. Common requirements may include your South African birth certificate, your old green barcoded ID book, if you have one, your current Smart ID card, if you are applying for reissue, proof of parent or guardian details for first-time youth applicants, marriage certificate, if applying because of surname change, divorce order, if applicable, proof of citizenship or permanent residence, where required, a working cell phone number for SMS updates, payment, where a fee applies. You do not usually need to bring passport photos when applying at a live capture Home Affairs office because the office captures your photo and fingerprints during the application process. Western Cape government guidance also notes that only offices with the live capture system can issue Smart ID cards. The Smart ID card fee may depend on the type of application. For reissue or replacement applications, the commonly listed fee is R140. Western Cape government guidance states that Smart ID applications cost R140, and replacement ID applications also require payment of the required fee. First-time ID applications for young South Africans may be free in many cases, but applicants should always confirm the latest fee with the Department of Home Affairs before applying. You can start your Smart ID application online through the official eHomeAffairs system. The eHomeAffairs process allows applicants to create a profile, complete the online application form, submit details, make payment where required, and book an appointment for biometrics. The official eHomeAffairs guide states that the online form is used for Smart ID card and passport applications, and applicants can capture and submit an application form online. Follow these steps. First, visit the official eHomeAffairs website, www.ehome.dha.gov.za/eHomeAffairs3. Create an online profile using your details. Make sure your ID number, name, surname, cell phone number, and email address are correct. Log into your account and choose the Smart ID card application option. Complete the application form carefully. Check your spelling, date of birth, surname, and contact details before submitting. Upload or provide documents where the system asks for supporting information. Make payment online if your application requires a fee. Book an appointment at a Home Affairs branch or available bank branch. Visit the selected branch on your appointment date for fingerprint capture, photo capture, and final verification. Wait for an SMS notification from Home Affairs when your Smart ID card is ready. Return to collect your Smart ID card with the required proof of identity or collection notice. How to book a Home Affairs appointment for Smart ID? You can book a Home Affairs appointment online through the official appointment booking system. The Department of Home Affairs says its branch appointment booking system is now available on My Home Affairs Online, where users can continue booking or managing appointments. When booking your appointment, make sure you choose the correct service. Select the correct Home Affairs branch. Pick a date and time you can attend. Keep your booking confirmation. Arrive early on the appointment day. Bring the required documents. Keep your cell phone available for OTPs or SMS updates. Booking an appointment helps you avoid unnecessary waiting and makes the process easier. Yes, some South Africans can apply for a Smart ID at selected bank branches. Home Affairs has been expanding services through bank partnerships. In March 2026, the South African government announced that citizens who wanted to replace their green ID book with a Smart ID, or reissue an existing Smart ID, could visit selected bank branches launching under a new digital partnership model. This means that selected banks may offer Home Affairs services at approved branches, but availability can depend on your location, bank, appointment slot, and eligibility. Before going to a bank branch, always check whether the branch offers Smart ID services, whether you need to apply online first, whether you need to be a customer of that bank, whether appointments are available, what documents you must bring. During your Smart ID appointment, Home Affairs or the approved bank branch will verify your application. They may capture your fingerprints, take your photo, confirm your documents, and check your personal details. Make sure your details are correct before the application is finalized. If your name, surname, date of birth, or citizenship details are wrong, it may delay your application or create problems later. At the appointment, you should arrive with your original documents. Bring certified copies if required. Bring your old ID book or old Smart ID, if replacing. Bring proof of payment if requested. Keep your phone active for SMS updates. Ask for confirmation of your application status process. How long does it take to get a Smart ID in South Africa? Processing time can vary depending on the branch, application type, system availability, and verification checks. Some applicants may receive an SMS within a few weeks, while others may wait longer if there are document issues or identity verification problems. The best thing to do is apply early, provide correct information, and follow up with Home Affairs if you have not received updates. Home Affairs usually sends SMS updates to the cell phone number used during the application. You should make sure your cell phone number is correct when applying, because this is one of the main ways Home Affairs communicates application progress. The Department of Home Affairs also has a status page, but it notes that the online status verification service has been suspended until further notice. If you need help, you can contact Home Affairs directly or visit the branch where you applied. Once your Smart ID card is ready, you should receive an SMS notification. Go to the branch or bank where you completed your biometrics, unless Home Affairs tells you otherwise. Take your proof of identity, collection message, and any document requested by the branch. Do not delay collection for too long, because your Smart ID card is an important legal document. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to apply for a South Africa Smart ID card.